Welcome again to another Roberto's Piano Tips. And if you remember from last week, we went over just how to make some good music, or at least use three chords using C, E, G, and using C and G over here. We're going to expand a little bit using the same key, but we're going to talk a little bit about how to make your warm-ups a little bit better. Usually when we're warming up, we play normal boring stuff, usually. Right? Well, if you want to still warm up and get your fingers nice and limber, but don't want to do the same warm-ups over and over again and kind of want to make it a little bit more musical, try this instead. Let's do something nice and interesting with the left and the right hand. So in the right hand, you're still going to be doing something nice and limber. But instead of going up like you usually do, you're going to be moving around. It'll help you with your coordination, and it'll be nice that you can kind of impress people with as you're going around playing the piano. For example, we're going to go C, then we're going to go 2 down, and we're going to do A. Then we're going to go 2 down again, and we're going to do F. Then we're going to go 1 up, G. So once again, that's C, E, G, then A, then F, then G. Just like that. You're going to go down 2, and then up 1. That'll help you do the same thing you've been doing before, except it'll be a little bit more musical. There's no reason why you can't do both, be limber and musical at the same time. So what do we do with the left hand? Well, with the left hand, it's a little easier. All you'll have to do is hold this position, which is F, A, and C, and like we did last week, as your right hand moves, so does your finger on your left hand move. For example, all I did was the C with the C chord, the A with the A chord, the F, and then the G. Now, if you're saying, well, that sounds a little familiar, well, this is what we're playing. Heart and soul. But once again, we're just making it a warm-up. So you continue to practice that, and before you know it, you'll have this. Have a good day.